Okay, we're ready to get those ice cream cone cakes ready for the kids. And you know, I'm really not going to a whole bunch of trouble because they're going to be eating them so fast and running and laughing and playing. They're not going to know that I didn't make them from scratch. So all we're going to do is start with our favorite cake mix. 3 eggs. Now you can jazz these cake mixes up a little bit. Usually when I use a cake mix, I'll add 4 eggs to just give it a little bit more fluff. But for these ice cream cake cones, it's going to be just perfect this way. But I am substituting the water for milk. Now there goes our oil. And I do like to add about a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, I think it's been about 4 minutes now. That should be ready. So all we're going to do at this point is fill up our little cones. I'm going to fill those not quite full, about 2/3 to 3/4 of the way full. And these are ready to go in the oven. And we'll start checking them in about 10 minutes. Oh. And I've got another batch right over here that should be about ready. Oh, and those look good. The batter kind of came out on some of them. That's great. And I've got some sitting right over here that's already cool. They're cool enough for us to go ahead and frost. And I'm going to use a very quick icing today. Actually, I've gone to a canned icing. So I've got my pastry bag loaded with chocolate icing, and I'm using a star tip. So we're just going to pick these up. And just start rolling our icing on. And then when we get around here, we're going to move on up top, cone around just like this. Until we get a nice little curly top on it. Some kids like chocolate and some kids like vanilla. So we're going to do some of each. We're going to try to please the whole gang. Okay, I've got 2 of these frosted. And I'm going to put some of these wonderful little sugared flowers that Lisa gave me. And I'm going to want to put them on there before the frosting hardens. It won't take me any time to decorate these, and when I get through, I'm going to come back and share a few more baking tips with you, and then we're going to have a party. Ice cream, you scream, y'all scream for ice cream. And I don't know of a soul that doesn't love those ice cream cone cakes. And when you go to dip it up, another great topping is toasted coconut. It's so delicious. And when you're ready to tote those cones out to the children at the party, if you have an old ornament box from Christmas, it works great to tote your cones in.
Who's ready for ice cream cone cakes? Come on. All right, now listen, I want you to do something for me though, okay? I want y'all to remember your manners and let's line up in an orderly fashion, okay? Everybody get in line because everybody's gonna get one, okay? So until next time, America, best dishes from my kitchen to yours. Okay, darling, what you want? Chocolate or vanilla? There you go.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.